Alright, I just got this new iPad, and I'm going to unbox it now, but I will probably do it with a video, because why not? Alright, so the best part of these unboxing videos is that people have to do this one-handed, which I'm going to do. Let's see, just gonna knife this. Oh no, why? Okay. Let's see if I can just pry this open. Does this even count as unboxing if it's just the cardboard box? Alright. Here we have an iPad, as I suspected. Wasn't expecting anything else today. I'm gonna take this out of the thing. Let's just dump it out. Alright. So let's see here. Got these protective cardboard things I'll never use again. Let's see here. Whoa. Let's focus, guys. Yeah. Now I have my serial number. You can see myself in the reflection. 16 gigabytes. That's probably enough for anyone. Alright. What else? Apple. Let's see. Let's just... Gotta be careful here. I don't want to hurt the resale value of this box. Alright. Tearing off the plastic. Someone is IMing me. Okay. We've got the iPad. Let's pull this open. This is the hardest part, is doing this with one hand. You need a team with me. Alright. What if I use this hand? Okay. So, I've got the box off. Alright. Looks like it is an iPad. White iPad. It's got this button here and a camera. Alright, so it just pops out. Whoa. It's got this camera on it that I can use to unbox other things and take videos with. Looks like there is something that has probably stickers in it. I'd say stickers. Instructions, yeah, don't need to read those. Warnings. Stickers, I will keep these. Power cord. Some kind of power device. And I think that's it, unless there's a secret message in here from Steve Jobs. No. Alright, well that's my iPad, the new iPad unboxing. This is the 3rd generation. And, oh, there's me. Alright.